Up first this evening, residents of Tivoli Gardens in West Kingston have taken issue with aspects of the government's apology for the 2010 Security Forces operation, which claimed over 70 lives.
While some laud Prime Minister Andrew Holness for acknowledging the state's misdeeds in the operation, others say the apology is coming from the wrong person. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
I stand here in this honourable House to unreservedly and unequivocally apologise.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness in Parliament on Wednesday. The apology is part of the recommendations from the Commissioners of the West Kingston Inquiry and the Office of the Public Defender for the deadly May 2010 security operation. But now that the apology has been made, residents have varying views.
I respect the apology up 100% from the Prime Minister.
Some believe Parliament was the wrong place to make the apology.
To my point of view, you should come in Tivoli Garden and apologize to the people who was in the incursion in 2010.
But even though some appreciate it, they say Mr. Holness is not the one who should be apologizing.
When we get defeat in 2010, it was Andrew into power, it was Bruce Golding, and up to the time we get defeat, too much people dead. Up to now, Bruce Golding don't come make apology. So right now, nobody's supposed to have nothing bad to talk about my Prime Minister.
Others, however, are adamant that an apology is of no use to them because since 2010, things have not been the same. Speaking on condition of anonymity, one person said since Christopher Coke was removed from the community, there has been nothing but chaos.
Right now, with the community at war with them one another, and when that man is there, that couldn't go on, body have to live as one. The apology can't help us with the Prime Minister. Where the Prime Minister come and say my apology, what that give it. That is nothing at all. Because from October, them promise we said them I give you the money. And nothing.
It's a spare promise from 2010, but we only need it to fulfill this term now.
Herman Green, TVJ News.